What is that? My headshot! What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we're playing OG Fun Monkey Horror.
Fun Monkey Horror. And today we're gonna be playing the new levels in this game. And make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for 6 subscribers in one day, bro. I cannot believe we got 6 subscribers in one day, bro. That's really good, guys. So let's without further ado, let's get right into it. Oh, it's this one.
Oh my god.
Remember this one? Oh no, that kind of jump scared me.
Oh no. Nope, it opened. Okay, Decker, I'm a little paralyzed because I hit myself. I hit myself.
Yeah, you told me about that.
The door's not closing.
Hold up, bro. How do you stop this crap?
Dude, the door isn't closing.
We gotta go see Bluebird.
I'm so scared. I'm actually gonna pee my pants.
Oh no, what the hell happened?
Should we do a different level?
No, I like this one.
I'm scary, bro. I'm scared. Please be my mom's Transformers.
I really should not have my door closed right now. Now that I just said that, I think they're gonna. The monster is gonna get me. Guys, Birdie, where are you?
Then you can't just leave me here by myself.
Run. You heard that? What? I heard walking.
Why are you running different directions, bro? It's scaring me.
You hear that?
Stop it.
You hear that? Over here.
No.
It's Bobby. We're safe.
Who is Bobby?
The one that's red.
I'm closing my eyes, bro. I can't see crap. I'm following your voice. Tyson, where are you?
Run.
My heart's racing. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you looking? Nope. See.
Yo, bro, you're live? We're doing a new one, guys. That was too scary for us.
Alright, guys.
Alright, meet up. 3, 2, 1.
No. Why am I so fast in this?
Ready?
Alright.
Scared me.
What are these? What is this? Why am I so
Find
fast?
us. You're cooked. You're dead. And it's a bean that is very fast and Brody? Scared me.
What are these? What is this?
Find us.
Why am I
You're
so
cooked.
fast?
You're dead. You're dead. He died. He's dead.
We just started like all space.
Alright.
My game's lagging. If I see anything, I'm running.
There's a little hole.
Trouble's never scared for me. No such. Don't leave me. If I find Homer,
Where are you?
where'd you go?
Red too bad.
Nope.
I was joking. I know who you are. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Can't leave me, bro. Having anxiety.
I know. He literally. That's Homer. He just got eaten. He just got eaten.
Anxiety attacks.
I know. He literally.
What is that? My
He just got eaten. He just got eaten.
Oh my god, bro. Why? What is that thing? If it jukes me around this corner. My controller disconnected.
It's coming. Dude, it's coming. Damn it, damn it, damn it.
We're good, bro. No, can we leave, please? I don't want to play this game anymore.
Bro, this one's not even scary.
For you, it's not scary. For me, it's scary.
This controller disconnects every second.
No, bro. It came after me. My controller disconnected. And now I'm petrified, okay? My mom's gonna yell at me for screaming. Ethan, don't leave me. My controller. What are you doing? Damn it.
It's close, buddy.
How do you know this?
Try to, like, fix your disconnected hand. Please.
I'm using my
Running.
connected.
Oh, wait.
Please wait for me. It's a noise. Yo, can you check behind me for us?
Run.
Why, bro? Stop. Why are we going up here?
We're going upstairs.
Why?
Because, so we don't have an
If we get jump scared, I'm gonna throw my headset off my face. Nope. I'm pressing back.
Alright, Birdie. Birdie, where are you? We're gonna do.
Alright, guys, I'm too scared to play OG Fun Monkey Horror
He wet his
any
pants.
longer because I peed my pants twice and I can't do it a third time. And so,
Yeah. And if you guys want to see more OG Fun Monkey Horror videos, then like and subscribe so you know when we post. Because we also post daily, every single day, and we also post a few shorts a day. And yeah, so yeah, bye guys. Have a
see you
great
in the next
day.
video.